Hi. So, Leo, this video is for Leo people, and I'm going to take the cards for the present situation and the immediate future, and I'm going to pull out some advice cards. Okay, it's a general reading, it may or may not resonate with you. Kindly take what resonates. If it doesn't resonate, please skip it. And if you do not have any idea what is tarot is about, there is a link in the description box which will help you to understand what is tarot is about. And my mobile number is there in the description. If you want to book a personal or private reading, you can WhatsApp me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe. That helps a lot. Thank you so much in advance. Okay, let's look out for Leo people. Leo. Some advice card. Okay, three cards for the present situation, three cards for the immediate future, and advice card. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Five of Wands. Okay. The Knight of Pentacles as advice card, Lovers, Nine of Swords, Six of Cups as a present situation. Immediate future is Seven of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and the Judgment. Okay. In the future, I think you're going to get the Judgment. You're going to get changed, or you're going to get the proper judgment if you think that something is not happening very fair, but it's going to happen very slow. Okay, it's just asking you to relax yourself, or things are going to happen very slow, not very fast. But let's see why is the Knight of Pentacles is here. And right now I could see bottom of the deck, the shadow. What does it mean is that I could see lot of struggles here, lot of disappointments, lot of disagreements, lot of fight within the known people or within your family members. I could see that. Okay. நீ பெருசா நான் பெருசா அப்படின்ற ஒரு ஈகோ இது வந்து என்னால் இங்கே வந்து பார்க்க முடியுது. லைக் cold war. It's like it's like a lot of cold war is happening for the people of Leo. Okay, let's see why the Knight of Pentacles is here. Okay, as advice card, show me the clarification card. It's why the Knight of Pentacles is here. One card clarification, why the Knight of Pentacles is here. The Moon. Okay, see, it's happening in the flow. There is a lot happening behind the scenes. It's just asking you to go with the flow. Even if it is a slow race, it's okay. It's okay. It's advising you to either whether it is a money or whether it is a relationship thing, it's going very slow. Yes, let it be. Let it go in a very slow pace. Please leave it when it flows. Okay, don't try to interrupt, or don't try to change anything. Just go with the flow, and the universe will show you the proper sign at the proper time, whatever you're seeking for, whatever you're looking for. Okay, I could see the Lovers card here, Nine of Swords here, Six of Cups here. Okay, I could see one people, either you or your partner or whoever it is. It could be a friend, it could be your situation, or it could be the relationship, or it could be a business partner. Whoever it is, one person is not happy, one person is having the sleepless night, one person is suffering a lot, one person is having a lot of anxiety, lot of stress, lot of depression. I could say one person is suffering a lot. And this is about the present situation. This person for a very, very, very long time. This person for a very, very long time. But let's clarify why these cards are here. Okay, the Nine of Swords is here? Why the Nine of Swords is here? Why the Nine of Swords is here? Queen of Cups. You're so emotionally, you're so weak. You're so weak, you're so distressed about this particular situation or particular relationship or anything. You're emotionally weak, you have emotionally involved in the situation. That is why you're suffering a lot. There is something happening within you and it's making you crazy. Why the Six of Cups is here? Why the Six of Cups is here? See, I don't see a major issue between the situation or between the people or anything, or the situation or the circumstance or in the relationship, okay? Right now, the situation is testing you. That is the problem. Why the Six of Cups is here? Show me the one card. This is totally an emotional problem. This is totally a love problem. This is totally a lot of responsibilities problem, commitment problems, lot of commitments. You are suffering a lot because you love a lot. You are you have invested a lot emotionally. That is why you are suffering a lot. At the same time, you are not ready to give up your attitude. That is a problem. And you feel like it is not growing. It is growing, but slowly. Your relationship or anything, it could be with your business partner or with your family members or with your friend, it's going very slowly. It's moving, it's growing very slowly. Don't expect a sudden change over the night. It's happening very slowly. Why the Seven of Pentacles is here? In the immediate future, okay? This is the present situation. Let's check about the Seven of Pentacles. Immediate future. The Seven of Pentacles is here. Why the Seven of Pentacles is here? Why the Four of Pentacles is here? Why the Judgment is here? Okay. This is the immediate future is going to be a positive one. Is the immediate future is going to be a positive one? Show me the one card, please. So immediate future going to be the positive one for Leo. If it is this, I'm getting a kind of mixed cards, mixed situation, mixed solutions. அதனால தான் நான் வந்து கேட்டேன். It's going to be a positive one, or then it's just asking you to trust your intuition, trust your thoughts. Its intuition is trying to tell you something. Please trust your intuition. Don't get carried away by your negative thoughts. Don't get carried away by your temptation or by your bad thoughts or by your negative thoughts. Don't get trapped by the bad people. If your negative thoughts or negative people are giving you a toxic environment, please be very careful about it. Okay, whatever you're looking for in the immediate future, it is growing actually. இப்பதான் நீங்க விதை போட்டிருக்கீங்க. It's growing actually, but don't get spoiled by the unhealthy or toxicity or by any negativity environment or by the negative people, toxic people. Whatever you're looking for in the immediate future, it will happen for sure. It is growing, it is happening. It's just asking you to be very patient or look things in a very different perspective. Don't look the things in a ஒரு directionலயே வந்து don't look at the situation. It's just asking you to turn upside down or look at it in a very different perspective. Okay, then it will be where it will give you a positive thing. If you are not carried away by any temptation, or if you don't get carried away by the uh, negative people or something. In the immediate future, it could turn negative, so I'm just warning you to be very careful when you speak with people, when you engaging with the family members or with your partner or with your friends. I just want you to be very careful, don't get trapped. Okay, in the immediate future, your intuition giving you the answer. Trust your intuition. Okay, your intuition is giving you the answer. Don't be so obsessed or don't be so desperate. Everything will be all right. Thank you so much, Leo people. Let's all spread only love.